Hi, this is Greg with Fee Home Services of Hawaii. Before you start your next project, whether it's flooring or roofing or painting or other carpentry projects, why not talk to me about my services? You'll soon see that using a multi-skilled tradesman can be a lot less complicated and a lot more cost-effective than using traditional contractors or less skilled handymen. My 20-minute consultation is absolutely free, so why not schedule your appointment today? And I'll see you soon.
Hey, bro, what is this?
It appears to be some ancient form of gadgetry.
I saw one of these on the Oprah show one time. You should touch it.
Are you crazy?
Go on, touch it.
You touch it.
I don't think it's an animal. Go home. Go away. Go.
You're making it angry.
Go. Go
back.
away.
Go.
Go. Get out of here.
Get back. Go.
Go.
Away,
Go
go.
away. Go.
Excuse
Go
me,
away.
guys.
Go away, Carols.
Fellas, could I please get my hammer back? Thank you.